I-10. Yes, it is foggy again. I'm starting off the day right. Liners are in, heated vest is on, plugged in, heated grips are on max. It's not even that cold, but with this fog and the moisture in the air, it feels colder than it is. Check out that windshield. It's got a window from a house. That's awesome. Yeah, so today is going to be coastal riding again. I'm kind of sick of it, but I'm going to hit some roads today that I've never been on before, so I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, so I'll hit San Francisco today, and then I've never been south of San Francisco on the coast on Highway 1, so that's what I'm looking forward to, that part. Figured I better get some video of this. This looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Yeah, here we go. These are the roads I was looking forward to. Just split off the 101 onto the 1. Out on the water. Now this is the coastal highway that I want to drive. No traffic, beautiful scenery. This is much better. I'm making terrible time. I'm not getting close to San Francisco at all yet. But that's okay because I've booked my bike in to Rottweiler Performance for Tuesday. Today is Friday, so I've got a couple days to kill to get to LA anyway. Yeah, I don't really know what to expect from these videos. They're not hugely entertaining, I realize. I'm not the most interesting person to listen to. I really need to find like a goal or like a purpose to them to really get a focus. You guys something to want to tune into. I mean, I'm not really that good a rider to really show off my skills and have you guys be interested enough to come and watch and see what I'm doing now, because I'm basically doing things that most people can do themselves. So I'm definitely not that interesting to listen to. I don't have the quick wit to make it entertaining, just to ramble on and have you guys enjoy it. I'm not sure. I guess maybe I just need a subject to talk about each time I do one of these videos. Not entirely sure what that should be though either. I mean, obviously this is a motovlog, which means that it involves motorcycles, unless motovlog is a broad spectrum category that covers all vehicular activities. I don't know. I'll be honest, I don't actually watch a lot of YouTube. I've seen a few things here and there, obviously. I know a couple of like the main motovloggers people watch these days, but I actually don't tune in to watch all their new videos. So maybe I don't understand what it takes to make good content. All I know is that I like bikes a lot, and I like to ride them, and I like to travel on them, and I like to wheelie them. And I just feel like I will share this passion with other people that also have this same passion, and maybe ones that don't have it and can learn about it and start to have that passion for them, you know, for bikes themselves. That's probably reaching a bit, but if that's the case, if that's what I'm trying to do, is get other people that don't have a passion for bikes interested, I don't really even know how to go about it, because in all honesty, like, I love to travel on my bike, but as I sit here now riding behind this traffic on a great road, my back hurts, my knees are aching, my neck is sore, my head is irritated from my helmet right now. Today, I don't know why it's bugging me, but it is. And I'm supposed to tell someone that, yeah, it's so fun. This is, it doesn't really make sense. I love doing this, but when I'm actually on the bike and doing it, I'm like, why do I love this? There's things about it that just drive me crazy, but I do really enjoy it. It's a crazy thing. Trying to explain to people that don't do this is like I just sound like a crazy person. If you really sit down and describe what it's like to be on a bike all day, it's not really the most enjoyable thing to do. Physically, your body hurts. There is something about it. You in this machine, no one telling you what to do, no one telling you where to go. There's something about it. That has something to do with it, I don't know. Better get some shots of the scenery, and the sun's out, the fog is gone. Nice little stretch of road. Saw a camera crew back there. I think they might have been shooting, well, shooting something with a vehicle on this road anyway. Oh, it's a nice view. What's that?
My buddy has a 999, but I like that way better. That's so sick. So sick.
Yeah, I love it.
I just bought this yesterday. I just wrecked my DRZ.
Sweet.
I only ride supermotos. This is my first like cruise.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah, that's all right.
Supermoto any day.
Yeah, that's how you do it.